Hi, it's Maddie with Brinkley RV, and today I'm going to show you our handy 65-foot integrated hose reel. As campers here at Brinkley, we understand how much of a hassle it is to carry around a big hose that's going to leak all over the pass-through. That's why we've decided in Model Z Air to incorporate an integrated 65-foot hose reel. Not only is this going to help keep your pass-through more organized, but it's also going to give you convenience. So you can take this hose out as long or as short as you need to go. It's got a brass fixture on the end and it's self-draining. We also have an access panel on the inside if you ever decide to replace the hose reel. One thing to note is that the hose is not hard plumbed into the unit. So if you wish to use your own hose, you can very much do so.